Whenever I tell you that girl was a 10, she was a 10.
Yeah, that's crazy, but have you seen all the pollen going around?
Yeah, it's been messing up my allergies a lot.
Yeah, it makes me sneeze a lot.
Dude.
Achoo!
No! Bless you. Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new episode of Solito Pranks People. Now, today, we are going to be sneezing on people, but not actually sneezing on people, because that's gross. We're gonna sneeze on them with this, so we're gonna go, achoo! Let's hopefully get some good reactions out of it. What the hell? Sorry for that weird intro. I was just testing out something new. But, so we're gonna go sneeze on people. We're at Walmart. Hopefully we get some good reactions out of it. Get some people. Hopefully I don't get jumped or nothing. Hopefully I do, so that way I can clickbait it actually. So, yeah, let's go and get it. Whee! Alright, so I'm putting on the microphone. But, the thing is, with that other shirt, I had a collar, but this one doesn't, so I'm gonna add to my chest hairs, hopefully. Ow, there you go. And that's what you had to do for the prank. God damn it. Okay, alright, let's go in there. Achoo! Ah. Achoo! Ah, man. Alright, let's go. Achoo! Oh, thank you. Achoo! 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 Oh, thank you. Achoo! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I scare you? I am. No, yeah, these allergies are messing me up, you know. Yeah. Achoo! Ah. Alright guys, that's the end of that video. The sneezing thing. We're about to just head home, you know, eat some bread. The bread that we got. So, if you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Yesterday was my last day of school. I didn't go, but it was. Summertime is coming up. You already know we're gonna be hitting the grind. We're gonna be recording 3 pranks a week, you know, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit the hit the bell subscriptions, you know, so you get everything, so you don't miss out on none of the good quality, amazing totally original, never thought of before pranks. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, so you get, like I said, so you get notifications whenever. Oh, go ahead, lady. I'm nice. Oh, that's the lady I sneezed on. But anyways, so I sneeze on her. See, that's what I do. I sneeze on people and then I let them pass, you know. I'm nice to them. So yeah, so we're gonna be hitting that grind, you know. Hopefully my plan is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and it will be done without a doubt. So I want y'all to share it with your friends. If you have a friend, tell him, be like, hey, yo, watch this dude, this guy's funny. And if you don't have a friend, make friends and then tell them to watch my thing. And if they already watch it, which I doubt it because I only have 13 subscribers, but but if they watch it, then just tell them to share with their friends, you know. Guaranteed, no, this isn't a scam. If you like and share my video, you will get $1 million one day. Not completely, not a scam. It will happen. It's happened before. Here are my references. I am a rich businessman, and I can agree with that. See, that guy got rich off of just liking and subscribing on my page, you know. So I recommend that you do it. It's good for your health as well. Once you like and subscribe, you automatically lose 10 pounds. And if you want to gain pounds, then you automatically gain 15. Highly suggest that you like and subscribe. But yeah, so if you like that, make sure you comment down what you want to see. So if you didn't like this prank, be like, hey, yo, Felix, what the hell, man? Don't do this, do this. And then tell me what you want, because I'm here to entertain you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe. Tell me tell me what you want. And I respond back to the comments. As you can see from my last video, I respond back. So we are out. The hashtag baddies Chicky Baby Squad. You already know how it be. We are out. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Drink your water.